All right, I got the Lamicall foldable phone stand. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. This thing, right in the box, is pretty heavy. You can see it's got a good weight to it. Nice packaging. Box looks pretty nice. Let's check it out and see what we get. All right, open it up. That's it. Get the stand in here. In a bag. Pretty simplistic. So it comes out of the package just like this. The instructions in there, which you really don't even need because it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a nice rubber back on this here. Nice soft rubber, but also it has a little grip on it to keep stuff from going off. This flips out, but let's just open this guy up. So there. You open it up, straight 90. This flips down for your phone. You set your phone on there. Here's an old Samsung Galaxy S7. You can tilt this thing. You can keep it up straight 90 or tilt this back, however you want to do it. This is actually a cool, useful device. This nice weighted base on here keeps it from tipping over. I really like this. This is pretty sweet. Something else I should point out, just using this small cable, but there's space in here where you can charge it. You can charge your phone while you're using it at your desk. This way, that way, however you want to do it. But there's a little slot in there, so that's pretty cool too. Look at that. Let's get the old tablet out and see how the tablet does on here. But look at that. You set the tablet on there. That works great, and it's holding up there no problem at all. I like this, and what's even cooler, I think, is you can just, when you're done, let's say you're going to a meeting or something, you can fold this thing up, throw it in your briefcase, computer bag, or whatever. It's got 4 rubber feet on the bottom to keep it from sliding around. This is actually a really cool, useful device, and I'm going to use this on my desk. No doubt about it. I like this thing. It's compatible. Well, gosh, I think it's compatible with anything, really. I just proved it with a giant tablet. The Lamicall foldable phone stand for your desk.